In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly schedule a food delivery using the Grab app. Whether you've got a busy day ahead or just want the convenience of planning your meal delivery in advance, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Grab website. It's a great platform for accessing a variety of services like ride-hailing, deliveries and more. But today we're focusing on their food delivery section. You can find it at grab.com/penglishfood. Once you're on the website, take a moment to familiarise yourself with the layout if you haven't used it before. It's quite user-friendly and designed to help you navigate smoothly. Next, let's locate the cart icon. Typically found in the top corner of the page, the cart is where you'll manage your order details. Imagine this as your digital shopping cart where all your meal choices are stored before checkout. Give it a click to proceed. Once you've accessed your cart, the next step is to find and click on the schedule option. This is where the magic happens. By scheduling your order, you decide exactly when your meal should arrive. It's perfect for setting up a meal delivery for a specific time, ensuring it fits right into your schedule without a hitch. Click on the schedule button to reveal more options. Now, it's time to select your preferred time. You'll see a range of time slots available for scheduling. Think about when you want your food to arrive. Consider your lunch break, dinner plans, or when you typically feel peckish. Once you've made a decision, go ahead and choose your desired time slot. This allows you to have the peace of mind that your meal is on its way at the perfect moment. Finally, with your schedule set, it's time to place your order. Double check your choices and the scheduled time to ensure everything's correct. Once you're satisfied, click on the place order button. It's that simple. You'll receive a confirmation shortly, giving you all the details you need. Remember, it's always a good idea to check for any promotions or discounts that might be available to make your meal ordering experience even better. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to schedule your food delivery using Grab. It's a great tool for anyone looking to streamline their meal planning and enjoy the convenience of having their favourite meals delivered right when they want them. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to make use of this feature to enhance your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in and happy ordering.